YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am in week 11 at school, so I thought I would give you guys an update. I know I said I would record a lot that I've been doing, but I have been struggling with trying to keep up with the clients that come into the nail school on top of recording. It's like so fast paced that I really don't have time to whip my camera out every time I do a set of nails. But here on myself, I'm just going in and prepping my nails with a ball drill bit, cleaning up my cuticle area since I don't cut cuticles. And then I'm just going in with some stiletto tips that are the natural color. These nails are pretty long, and after the acrylic application, I do realize that I like long nails, but I really don't like my thumbnail to be extremely long. So that was the only thing that was a bummer about doing these nails. I am going in right now with the drill from school. This is just a little $20, $30 drill that you can find on Amazon. I absolutely love this drill. I'm thinking about picking one up just to have. Not that I need it, but I like the drill. Next, I am going in and prepping my nail with a no acid primer and pH bond from Pro Nail Bar. So far school is pretty cool. I'm almost done. I have anywhere from like 2 to 3 weeks left. I am taking my exit exam this coming Monday, which is like 4 days away from today. I'm a bit nervous. I hear it's pretty intimidating and hard. I really have not had much time to study. You guys know I'm in 2 schools at one time, and it's starting to catch up to me. I'm like mentally going through it. I'm all over the place, especially in college and at the school. At the school, I really can't focus, but I'm trying to get myself together because the end goal is to gather up these hours so that I can eventually take my state board and be licensed. Here I am going in with Valentino's Prettiest Pink. I went in with a little bit. I really didn't want to use a lot of this product. This video I would consider a demo because I had no intentions of doing my other hand, and I hate to waste product. So you do see me going with thin layers. I was just trying to get a sheer coat of acrylic on my nails without building the nail up too much, but I still wanted to get the look that I was going for so that I can display it in this video. So I am using a Pana size 14 and just going in and cleaning up around my cuticle area. So I wanted to show you guys some nails that I did at the school. They were so cute and little. You guys know I hate overlays, but I botched the video up, and so I wanted to make it up to you by just going in and doing my own nails and posting the video. So here you do see me going in with really thin layers that are wet beads. Like I said, I just want a nice even layer on it without using too much acrylic, so you will not see me build up an apex area too much on these nails because I only anticipate leaving them on for about 4 or 5 days. I want to take my time out to say thank you to Desi. If I can, I'll scroll one of your comments right here on my video. Thank you. You always tune into my videos. You always comment. It might not be the same day I post, but you do show love. I want to take the time out to start acknowledging some of my supporters on my YouTube channel. Some of you have been following me since I had 80 followers. We are almost at 3K, and we just growing. We over here thriving. If I could say anything to you guys that are watching that are struggling with starting out your nail journey, just keep pushing. Just like on Nemo, when the fish Dory say, just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. You'll get it. I can't tell you how many times I was discouraged, especially with everything that I have going on in life, being a wife, a mother, graduating college, going back to school. Like, I am doing the most, and I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. Well, I know that I have an end goal, but it's just like, it's stressful. And the only thing that is getting me through it and helping me out is that these are things that I want to do. I want to be a licensed nail technician. I want to have a YouTube platform just so that I can create content that I'm interested in, and I know that other people are interested in. So yeah, that's just what I have going on. Like I said, this is week 11. So here I'm just going in, and do not mind my file. This was my last go round with it. This is the file that I use on myself at school. This is the 8080 grit. Instead of me going in a lot with my actual e-file, I like to go in with the file and just shape up the nail and then go on top of the nail and take down any I don't want to say bulk because I really don't be having bulk on my nail anymore, but I like to go in and just make sure that application is smooth in case there is any little small dents that I don't see. I don't want to get too cocky and say I don't have bulky nails. If anything, I may have like a little dent here or there. So that's what you guys see me doing here. And then I am going in with a 5-in-1 drill bit. Please pay no attention to how far out my drill bit is. This is the school's drill bit, and for some reason, my bit, this particular bit, don't fit all the way into the drill. So I just put it in as much as it can because using this bit is really essential for me. I have shied away from using the safety bits just because I find these bits to be more, what's the word I'm looking for? They work faster and the end result is so much better than using a safety bit. But if you're comfortable with using a safety bit, by all means, please do use a safety bit. You will get the same outcome. I just feel like this is a lot faster. And at this point in my nail journey, I'm trying to work on not only just application, but speed. So here now I'm still going in and smoothing out that nail. I am going in with that sanding band that I used to prep the nail with. It is a fine sanding band. I don't need to sand down much. So it was no sense of me going in and switching it to a medium grit or anything like that. I'm just really going in and smoothing the nail up, getting it ready, you know, to be buffed so that we could go on to the next step. You guys know I love the orange buffer, so that's what I'm going in and use on my nails. If you are looking for a good buffer, I do highly recommend the orange buffers. I don't know what's the difference. I want to say it's the grit. I'm going to find out and let you guys know, but I love the orange buffers. So here, remember I used to always say like, oh, I hate line work, or I try to stay away from doing anything that is hand painted. This here is a part of my growth. I did do just one nail art class with Nail by Naj, and I don't know what it is. It's like a confidence builder when you are working and learning with another tech, but another nail tech. She did show me some techniques to do different type of artwork, and now, girl, all I do is pull out my little polishes when clients want their nails done for my artwork. You can't tell me I'm not out here slaying this artwork. So I do go in with a synthetic brush with some acetone in it and clean up anything that I need to clean up. That gel polish that I just used, the bone white one, is by Born Pretty. I will leave the name across the screen so you guys can grab it if you want to. And also this metallic paint pot is by Born Pretty. I am just going in with a metallic brush and painting it on. This is bomb. Like this right here, you need. Y'all know how I rave about certain things. You need this metallic paint pot. They do have them in 4 other colors. I will link this one down below, and I'll try to find the link on their website for the other ones and link them down below. You definitely need them. I like this bone white color because it's not stark white. It's like an off-white bone. I'm not really into really white French tips. This right here is just giving classy. It's giving what I needed to give with this pink in the background. So if you're looking for a really nice white that is not too stark, a white that's not going to get dirty, then I highly recommend you check this white out. Just dabbed a little bit out on a top, and I'm just going in, and your girl is out here doing her line work. So at this point, I knew I wanted to do something to the nails, and I keep preaching to the girls at the nail school that are beginners who get really frustrated with nail art. Like, we all start somewhere. I highly encourage people to buy stickers. If you can't do nail art, start somewhere. Like, be able to offer your clients that are coming to you some form of enhancement so you can upsell your ticket. So if they're coming in to get their nails done and it's $35, and after the acrylic application they want 2 designs, you should be able to slap on 1 or 2 stickers for $3 each and upsell your ticket so that you're making money, you know, and they still get what they want. Not everybody's going to come sit at your station and want you painting on their nails. Some people don't have time for that. They might want a little design and then boom, that's it. So here, one of the girls at the school gave me an idea to put the YSL on. So that is what I did. I'm sorry I wasn't recording that part. I was too busy running my mouth talking to her. But these stickers also are from the Pro Nail Bar. If you guys have not figured this out by now. The Pro Nail Bar will be my website that I'm coming out with. I already have it up and running. I'm just tweaking some things, and I'm still trying to wait on a couple more things. I can't wait to present to you guys some of the things that I have. I mean, I have some things. I don't want to say I have a lot. I have things that are that interests me most. I just don't want to put things on my website, like buy things and just sell it to you guys. I want it to be things that I actually use, I actually like, I've actually been using, and I know they work. So look out for that. And this here top coat is from the Pro Nail Bar Bomb.com. I won't be using anything else. I am like absolutely in love with this top coat. I still have the nails on 7 days later after I said I was going to soak them off, and this top coat, I'm sorry, is still shining so good. These are what the nails look like. I absolutely love them. Let me know what you guys think down below. I do appreciate you guys tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe.